That's cut off to the same length because this fits perfectly inside this bearing. So this pin, see how it's indented? I don't know if you can see, but it's indented a little bit right there. I want that flush, and I want this side flush. So I'm probably going to find another number 2 and make it my new pin setup. Because the last one lasted like 4 or 5 battery packs. So it's working for now. I mean, a mail strike in Canada here screwed us, so you do what you can. So I'm going to get me another pin, I'll make it up, and then I'll show you what I did.